Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have PLINKO by Luminous Punch. In their code, we can see a lot of when I receive blocks, show blocks, change blocks, and broadcast blocks. Drop the ball and try to guess where it lands to score big time. Next we have Your Dog Cookie by Moldy Fruit. In Moldy Fruit's code, we see when background switches to blocks, say blocks, when I receive blocks, and broadcast blocks too. Take good care of your dog by giving it baths and taking it out for walks. Here we have Save the Boy and Girl by Defective Athlete. In their code, we can see forever if blocks, point in direction blocks, and when I receive, heal, stun, hit blocks too. Run around the map to try and save the boy and girl while defeating goblins. Lastly, we have HTML Game by Lone Duckling. Checking out the game and code here, Lone Duckling created a game where you must dodge the green lines and make it as far as you can. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!